Hello, and welcome to our video on investing for beginners. Investing can be a great way to grow your money and secure your financial future, but it can also be overwhelming for those new to it. In today's video, we'll break down the basics of investing and give you the information you need to get started. First and foremost, it's essential to understand the difference between saving and investing. Saving is putting money into a savings or bank account where it earns interest. Investing is putting money into stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds with the expectation of a higher return. The next step is to set a financial goal. It could be saving for a down payment on a house, retirement planning, or even a vacation. A plan will help you determine the type of investment that will work best for you. Once you have set a goal, it's essential to understand the risk involved in investing. Every investment has a risk, from low-risk options like savings accounts or CDs to high-risk options like stock trading. As a beginner, it's essential to start with low-risk investments and gradually increase the risk level as you gain more experience. One of the most popular and easiest ways for beginners to start investing is through mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These professionally managed portfolios allow you to invest in various stocks, bonds, and other securities with a single purchase. They are also a great way to diversify your portfolio and spread the risk. Another popular investment option for beginners is real estate investment trusts, REITs. These are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate. They allow you to invest in real estate without the hassle of buying and managing a property yourself. Beginners could focus on low-cost index funds. These funds track a market index, such as the S&P 500, and have low management fees. They are an excellent option for beginners because they provide a diversified portfolio with minimal cost. When investing, one of the most important things to consider is your time horizon. This refers to how long you plan to keep your money invested. If you have a long-term goal like retirement, you can take on more risk because you have more time to ride out market fluctuations. However, if you have a short-term goal, such as saving for a down payment on a house, you'll want to be more conservative with your investments. Another critical aspect of investing is asset allocation, which divides your investments among different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and cash. The idea behind asset allocation is to diversify your portfolio so that you don't overly expose your investments to any one type of risk. A general rule of thumb is to have a mix of stocks for growth potential and bonds for stability. It's also essential to have an emergency fund in place. You have set aside money for unexpected expenses, such as a medical emergency or job loss. Experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses set aside in savings or other liquid accounts. This way, if an emergency does arise, you won't have to liquidate your investments at a loss. Another important tip for beginners is to start small and invest regularly. You can start small with a small monthly investment or even invest spare change with apps that allow you to round up your purchases and invest the difference. The most important thing is to start somewhere and make a habit of investing regularly. It's also important to have realistic expectations when it comes to returns. The stock market can be volatile, and returns may fluctuate in the short term. Instead of focusing on short-term performance, focus on long-term goals and try not to get caught up in the day-to-day fluctuations. Another tip for beginners is to be patient. Investing is a long-term strategy. It takes time to see the fruits of your labor. It's essential to keep going even if you don't see immediate returns and to stay committed to your investment plan. Finally, it's essential to have a plan and stick to it. Create a budget, set investment goals, and plan to achieve them. Remember to review and adjust your plan as necessary. In conclusion, investing is a great way to grow your money and secure your financial future. Still, it's essential to start small, regularly invest, have a plan, and stick to it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.